Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dumitriu, and I'm the CTO of Midokura, which is a subsidiary of Sony Semiconductor Solutions. And just in case you don't know, Sony Semiconductor Solutions is part of the Sony group, and it's primarily the business is making CMOS image sensors. So probably your cell phone, if it's whatever brand it might be, it very likely has a Sony sensor inside. So I want to tell you a bit about the journey of how we got here, and then how we got into this idea of building edge vision applications. It wasn't super straightforward. First, I would just want to mention, the initiative, the product initiative that we're part of. So it's called Atrios, and the mission of Atrios is to democratize access to smart sensors, and basically in terms of cost, in terms of go-to-market, in terms of programming them. And that's why there's a variety of parts to this initiative. There's hardware and software involved. Our group primarily focuses on the software, but we have to be pretty much aware of the hardware. So, okay. So, one other thing I should mention, we are faced with a lot of challenges of embedded development. Why? Because in our product, we use microcontrollers. We're focused on the very tiny devices. We're not really using things that are, let's say, Linux capable. So I know that there were several presentations, like one earlier in this room, talking about how the edge typically runs Linux. And since the definition of edge is fairly ambiguous, it could be very large or very small, that's understandable. We focus on the very, very small. So it's not running Linux. It's running real-time OS on a microcontroller, 32-bit microcontroller typically. But there's some flexibility there, some scale.